Okay, yeah.
So next is load in watts, load in kilowatts. Then, so when you're writing the things here, don't specify the values manually. It should be like a reference. So first is lighting. Next is first is lights. I'll write as in lights load. Okay, because light we had done separate. No? Next is lighting load. Okay, next is this one. What is that? Raw power. The next is raw power, and the next is AC. So whenever you're writing the things here, don't write the things manually there. Okay, it should be like something where referred means in future if there that values change here, it should also change. Is equal to load in watts 461, enter. Again is equal to, don't write the things manually, just click on them and just values that one. Okay, now in terms of kilowatt, that is divided by 1000. Okay, now when it comes to the total load of 2 BHK, that is equal to sum of okay, now the total load is 17,211 watts or 17.211 kilowatts. Okay, this is the total load, guys. Now what I need to do, I need to balance or I need to schedule this total load equally in 3 different phases. Now I need to do the load scheduling sheet or load balancing sheet such that this total load will be balanced equally in 3 different phases. Okay, so now let me do the total load balancing sheet. So before going to do the total load balancing sheet, first we need to do the lighting load scheduling sheet, because there's a separate standard for the lighting load scheduling sheet and the raw power. So first let me do the lighting load scheduling sheet, which is already we had done in the Excel sheet previously, but there it was took on assumption. Lights and fans we took on assumption. Here we got exactly. So lighting load scheduling sheet, let me prepare. So what are the things we require in lighting load scheduling sheet? Phase or circuit number. Next, location, CB size. Okay, yes or no? CB size, cable size. Next, what else? FL, CFL, fan, EX fan. Okay, N by S, normal socket, P by S, sorry, up to normal socket. No? Yeah. FL, CFL, fan, exhaust fan, normal socket. Next is total load. Okay, TTL load and TTL points. So I'll write the same thing over here, copy, paste. First, let me place the things, then I'll do the load scheduling sheet. Coming to the FL also is equal to, you put there, and here the total number of fixtures we have now, exact fixtures. Here you can put on exact fixtures. So then drag it up. Now in these 3 locations we have a CFL. No? So this should be copied from here and I'll paste it here. Then this I'll make as in 0, 0, 0. And this also 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now coming to the fans also. It's equal to fans. Same. Exhaust fan also. Okay. And the same here also, normal sockets. Then I'll drag simply all the things. Next, coming to the total load, I'll just put a formula for the total combined. FL into, I need to put separately also here also, so that is the reason I am putting, so that you will get the total load of each and then you can do the load scheduling sheet. FL into FL wattage plus CFL into the CFL voltage plus exhaust fan into the fan voltage plus exhaust fan into the exhaust fan voltage plus normal socket into normal socket voltage. Enter. So I got the total load. The next is points is equal to FL plus CFL plus fan plus exhaust fan plus the normal socket, the total points. Okay, now when it comes to here, guys, what is the standard condition for lighting load scheduling sheet? On one phase we can give a maximum load of 1800 watts and the number of points are 12 points. Now first, can I add up 573 470 437? No. Okay, because 573 437 is more, 8 plus 6 also more, 8 plus 6 also more. So what I'll do, this I'll give as an R1 phase, R1 phase. Next, come into these two things, can I add up? Yes, I can add up. So I'll merge these two things. So Y1, okay, this is total is R1 phase. This is, I'll take as an Y1 phase. Next, coming to this, can I merge these two three things? 5 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 9. 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Yes, I can merge these three things. I'll merge these three things. B1. And the next is R2. This total is R2. R2. Yes. So RY and the next is this is B phase and the next is this is R2 phase. Okay. Then okay, now coming to the points here is equal to the same 573 which we had taken. Here I'll write as in final load and final points. So 573 and 8 points only we had given is equal to 573 we had given and is equal to 8 points only we had given. Next, coming to this one, this both are merged. So that is equal to now how much is the load? 437 plus 201, that is 638. And coming to the points also, 6 plus 410. Okay, now coming to these three things are merged now. Okay, so that is equal to 201 plus 13 plus 337, 551. And coming to the points, so is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 5. Okay, 10 points. And here that is equal to 337 plus 212. And the points are 5 plus 4, 9. So that is equal to 5 plus 4. Okay, so now thick box border, then this bolt and highlighting the color with the green. Yeah. And here also this is how much is the circuit breaker size? 6 amps and the cable size is 2.5 square amp as per the standard. We know that. Here also same. Then these three things are merged and again these three are merged, same 6 and 2.5 square amp. Even this two things are merged and two things are merged, so this is again same 6 ampere and 2.5 square amp. So selecting the total, done, Okay, so this is the final now, which is total R1 we have taken 573 8 points, Y1 we have taken 638 10 points, B1 we have taken 551 10 points, and BR2 549 9 points. We done scheduling, we didn't done load balancing. Now we are going to study about now we need to do the total load balancing sheet. So now keep the heading as in total load balancing sheet, where I need to balance the total load equally on 3 different phases. So total load balancing sheet. Okay, now when it comes to total load balancing sheet, what are the things we require? So phase or circuit number same. Okay, next again we require the cable size. Sorry, here it should be load type and location. Load type and location. We are requiring these points, these things. I'll merge it up so that because few things are columns more. Load type and I'll write as one location. Next is CB size. Okay, next is cable size. Okay, after that we require total points. Okay, then what we require is directly R phase, Y phase. Guys, are you following me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the next is B phase. So this we didn't done. Up to here we were done. Up to here all we are done. Now we need to do load balancing sheet. Okay. Now what does total load balancing sheet means? Whatever the total load we got it up 17.211 kilowatt. I need to balance the load equally on 3 different phases. So for which we are going to do the total load balancing sheet. Now if I want to do the total load balancing sheet, I need to implement the raw power load standards also here. So what are the raw power circuit design standard, guys? Anyone? What are the raw power circuit design standards? Hello. Okay, I'll revise. Lighting circuit design standard. What was the lighting circuit design standard? Whatever the loads which are less than 100 watts will come to the category of lighting circuit design. The circuit breaker size should be 6 amps. The cable size should be 2.5 square mm. And as per the National Electrical Code, on one phase we can give a maximum load of 800 watts, and the number of points should be 12 points. And the conduit size is 20 mm. Okay, applications are nothing but lights, fans, exhaust fan, and the normal socket. That was the lighting circuit design standard, and we had implemented the lighting circuit design standard here, and we had done the scheduling of lighting load. Now coming to the raw power circuit design standard. What are the raw power circuit design standard? Then whatever the loads which are more than 100 watts will come under the category of raw power circuit design standard. The circuit breaker size should be 16 amps. The circuit breaker size should be 16 amps. The cable size should be the circuit breaker size should be 16 amps. The cable size should be 4 square mm. Okay, 4 square mm. Then according to the National Electrical Code, on one phase we can give a maximum load of 3000 watts, and the number of points should be 3 points. And the applications are nothing but power sockets and AC, and the conduit size is 25 mm. Do you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now according to that, now we are preparing the total load balancing sheet. Now already in which R1 was occupied. No? R1 is already occupied. So I'll write the same here. But what is the kind of load it is? Lighting load. Okay. So it was occupied by lighting. Okay, and which room it has gone? I'll just write the summary over here. Okay, that I need to write the summary. Entrance hall, and it was summary 6 amp circuit breaker, overall 2.5 square mm. And what are the total points which was occupied? 8 points. And what was the total load which is given on R phase? That is equal to 573. Then the remaining, this is 0. This is 0. Okay. Now similarly, Y1 phase was also occupied. Y1 phase also occupied, and it was also occupied by lighting, but it has gone to which room, guys? Master bedroom plus toilet 1. Am I right or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it has gone to master bedroom plus toilet 1. Same 6 amps, 2.5 square mm, and the total points which was done is already whatever we have done, that we are just representing here. Okay, because it's a scheduling sheet that we've done. Now we are doing total load balancing. Total load balancing means it should be summation of all the things, it should be there. Okay, so 638, then again 0. Then again B1 was also occupied. B1 was also occupied. B1 is occupied, and which kind of load it is occupied? Same lighting, and it has gone to which room? It has gone to T1 utility bedroom. T1 plus UR plus BR bedroom. Okay,
It's
then
T2,
coming to
sir.
here,
T2.
same 6, 2.5. Okay, and the number of points which was done here is 10 points.
10.
Yeah, and the load has to be represented in B phase. Okay, the same here R1, Y1, B1, and again next to R2. R2 was also occupied by same lighting load, and it has gone to DA plus kitchen, dining area plus kitchen. So same 6 amps, 2.5 is a square mm. Number of points are 11 points, and the load is on R phase. So that is equal to 549. And this is 0, and this is 0. Am I clear up to here?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
In B1, toilet 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
In B1? Or in B1 toilet 2, na here? Okay. Next. Any more questions, others? Okay. So now we need to start doing the raw power. First lighting is done. Next we'll go with the raw power, and the next we'll go with the AC. Okay. Now I need to R1, Y1, B1, R2. The next is Y2. I need to go with the sequence Y2. Y2. So first complete the power sockets and then go to the AC. First complete the power sockets. In the power sockets, what I'll do is, according to the standard, what is the standard for raw power circuit design? The loads which are greater than 100 watts will come to the category of raw power circuit design. Then the circuit breaker size will be how much? 16 amps. Okay, the circuit breaker size
16
will be
amps.
16 amps. And here it is circuit breaker. I'll put it in 16 amps first. 16 amps. And the cable size was 4 square mm. Now, what are the points I'll get? I can take 3000 watts and 3 points, guys. As per the standard, 3000 watts and 3 points. So what I'll do is, I'll take this complete 3 points as in one phase. Entrance hall का एक power socket, master bedroom का एक power socket, toilet 1 का एक power socket. I'll take it in one room. I'll take in one phase. So here, raw power. Raw power of EH का एक power socket plus master bedroom का एक power socket plus T1 का एक power socket. I'll take all three things in one. Okay. Then what are the points? 3 points. What are the load, guys, here? 3000, na?
Yes.
Okay. In which
Yes,
phase? Y phase. So I'll write as in 3000 and 0. So 3 points has been completed. That is entrance hall, master bedroom, toilet 1 is completed. Now the remaining again, toilet 2, utility, bedroom, I'll take in one phase. Toilet 2, utility and bedroom, I'll take in another phase. Y2, B2, B2. So same raw power, but here it is T2, toilet 2 का एक plus bedroom or utility का utility same 16, and here it is 4 square mm. Total points are 3 points. Dining area में एक socket था नहीं था? As per the standard in dining area, socket is there or not there? In dining area, no power sockets, only normal sockets. Okay. We got power socket to load is 11 only, but AC we got 4.9. 2100, 14, we got the same, but lighting it was changed, no? Power socket we got 11 only, but here how much we got for the power sockets? Where we had missed? Kitchen we had taken 6 sockets, here.
Yes.
यूटिलिटी
नहीं, किचन में एक सॉकेट लिया होगा ना इधर। हाँ, यहाँ पर पावर सॉकेट्स का कहाँ है अपन। हाँ, 11 इंटू 1000। सो आई थिंक किचन में अपन, तो डाइनिंग एरिया में तो 0 है, किचन में 4 to 6 तो अपन 5 लिया था, तो उसी के लिए अपन को 11 सॉकेट्स आया था, राइट। Okay, so here I taken 4 to 6 means I taken least 4, 4 to 6 na, I taken 4. Okay, or let us take 5. Yeah, load is also changed here, 18.211. Okay, now so what I'll do the next is raw power का इधर 3 हो गया। अभी next टॉयलेट 2 का, यूटिलिटी का, बेडरूम का 1 मिलिया में, टॉयलेट 2, यूटिलिटी, बेडरूम 3. So the same I'll write here, 1640, the 0, and it is 3000. Okay, B phase. The next is R2, Y2, B2. The next is R3. So the same raw power. Okay, raw power. But in this now kitchen का 5 power socket बचा हुआ है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, these all are completed. 3 are completed. Now kitchen ka 5. I'll take 3 in 1, 2 in 1.
Yes.
3 in 1 and 2 in 1. Okay. So raw power KTCHN. Okay, kitchen ka 3 P by S power socket. So 16 amps. Same the circuit breaker. 4 square mm is a cable. 3 points. And the load should be in R phase. That is 3000. Okay, then 0, 0. Okay. Now coming to R3, Y3, R3, and the next is Y3. So Y3, the left out 2 is there, no left out?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, kitchen, 2 power sockets. Okay, same 16, 4, 2 points. Now in which phase? Y phase, 2000.
Why?
Up to here it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, before going to do the AC, first of all, there are few conditions first we need to remember. What are the few conditions? Let me write that. Condition for load balancing. First condition. Condition 1. This is not condition, but the standard which we need to maintain. What is the standard saying is, on 1 dB, the maximum connected load, should not be more than 30 kilowatt. This is the first condition that we need to go follow the standard, that on 1 dB the maximum connected load should not be more than 30 kilowatt. Second condition, what is the second condition is saying is, to say that your load is balanced, the load difference between the phases should not be more than 300 watts to 500 watts. What does this condition saying is, this is important, to say that your load is balanced under the full load condition. The load difference between the phases should not be more than 300 watts to 500 watts as per ROCB incomer. Okay, so now what is the standard saying, guys, is, see, in the distribution board 1 dB, 1 dB के अंदर the maximum connected load should not be more than 30 kilowatt से ज़्यादा नहीं होना है. If your load is more, we need to take another db. Okay, like suppose lighting, power, when you go to the shopping malls, I hope you people have seen, lighting के लिए separate db लगाते हैं, power के लिए separate db लगाते हैं, ac के लिए separate db लगाते हैं. अगर आपका load ज्यादा है, generally in our homes we don't do that because your load is less than 30 kilowatt. But if you're going with the commercial malls and all, shopping malls and all, they'll put a separate db for lighting and power and ac. The reason is on 1 db the maximum connected load should not be more than 30 kilowatt. The why? Because in the bottom we'll do the looping na. In the bottom we do the looping, r को लेके आके r1 r2 r3 r4 r5 r6. So when you're splitting it up, obviously when the load increases, the heating parameter also increases. When the heating parameter increases, then heat dissipation increases, the cable will lose its insulation property. So that is the reason, considering this parameter, on 1 db the maximum connected load should not be more than 30 kilowatt. That is the first condition. Second condition, what is saying is, to say that your load is balanced, under the full load condition, means सारे load जब चलेंगे, to say that your load is balanced under the full load condition, the load difference between the phases should not be more than, 300 watts to 500 watts as per the ROCB, that is residual over circuit breaker as an incomer. DB के अंदर जो incomer रहता है, protective circuit breaker लगाना है. What are protective circuit breaker? ELCB, ROCB, RCCB. I'll tell about the circuit breaker. So in the DB के अंदर, the mostly the incomer is protective circuit breaker like ELCB, ROCB, RCCB. So as per the standards of this residual over circuit breaker, if any unbalance of currents take place, it will get trip off, as well as it will give a leakage current protection. अगर कुछ भी leakage हो गया, and if that leakage current is more than 30 or 300 milliamps, it will get trip off. तो वो अनबैलेंस कितना होना चाहिए? R2Y, Y2B, B2R 300 watt से 500 watt से अधिक गुना नहीं होना चाहिए. Then only to say that we say that the load is balanced. Now अभी मैं क्या करूंगा बोलो तो, फर्स्ट आई चेक. अभी मुझे एसी बचा हुआ है. एसी में अभी कौन से कितने बचे हुए? एक 1.5 टन का आया है और एक 1 टन का आया. I got 1.5 ton, 1 ton and 1 ton. So now in this first, what I will do is, I'll just cross check the total R phase, the total Y phase and the total B phase. Wherever you have a lower loads, in that loads try to put an AC. Okay, in that load try to put an AC so that your load will be okay. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I will do is just cross check I'll just cross check here. I'll add up the total sum of the load, R phase, total R phase. The same. Okay. After doing so, I got 4122, 5638 and 3551. Okay. Now in this, now we have one 1400 के दो है और 2100 का एक है. तो अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूं बोलते हो, इसमें क्रॉस चेक करने के बाद में इसमें लोड कम है, 3551 में लोड कम है ना. ओके, I'll just cross check it up. Okay, because ultimately I need to do the balancing. So I'll just cross check it up. Suppose I'll put 2100 here. Okay, I'll put 2100 here, 2100 here, and I'll put some 1400 here, or else 2100 एक हो गया इधर, and 2800 it's there ना. So when I do this, I got more difference. Or else I'll add up 2800 here. Okay, and here 2100. Okay, now when you see guys here 2800 यानी कि दो एसी मैंने इधर ऐड किया है, 1400 का. ओके, और एक एसी था 1.5 टन का, वो इधर ऐड किया. Am I clear or not? The load is not balanced, but I need to balance. I'm just cross checking it up before going to do the final arrangement. I'm just checking where I can do the addition so that it can be balanced easily. Okay, so what I done according to that parameter, एक थर्ड वाले में जो यहाँ पर लोड कम था, लोड कम था तो मैंने 1400 के दो एसी 14 + 14 2800 का दो एसी उसमें डाला, और यहाँ पर 2100 एक डाला. तो इस करने के बाद में मुझे क्या आया, 6222 here, and here I got 6351 and 5638. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I can do the changes, अभी मैं क्या चेंजेस कर सकता हूं तो कि मेरा 500 वॉट्स तक डिफरेंस मैच होगा. बिकॉज नाउ व्हेन आई सी एज पर द लोड बैलेंस हुआ है नहीं हुआ चेक करना है पहले. सो व्हेन आई एड अप द टोटल सम ऑफ ये तीनों ऐड करे तो 18211 तो मैच हो गया. 18211 आया ना इधर भी. See, the load is matched. Firstly,
Yes, sir.
okay, but the load is not balanced here. Okay, why? Because now I'm just cross checking it up. R2y is equal to R2y. This minus this. Okay, then again y2b is equal to this minus this one. Then again is equal to b2r. This minus this one. Okay. The difference is more. I'm right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो अभी मैं क्या करना है? What I can do, I can do certain changes where I can do certain changes so that your load will balance. Don't touch the lighting part firstly. Lighting part पहले direct touch मत करो. Lighting is the last option. Okay, lighting is the last option where you can touch. But try to shuffle the load in between raw power and AC. Why? Because इसका भी circuit breaker 16 amps है और 4 square amp केबल है, उसका भी 6 amps ही है. तो पहले raw power जो है last option है. पहले लाइटिंग और पहले ये चेंज करो. ओके, ये जस्ट चेंज करो पावर एंड एसी सो दैट वेयर इट कैन बी डन. मैं अभी एक सिंपल स्टेप करूंगा. व्हाट आई विल डू हियर इज सी दैट द रीजन आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग देयर एंड क्रॉस चेक फर्स्ट दैट. वो अभी मैं क्या करूंगा बोले तो इसमें से थोड़ा लोड कम करूंगा, इसमें से थोड़ा लोड कम करूंगा और इसमें बढ़ाऊंगा. तो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज आई विल रिमूव वन पावर सॉकेट फ्रॉम हियर and I'll add up that power socket here. I'll remove one AC from here minus 1400 and I'll add up that 1400 here. Now you see this now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, एक सॉकेट को मैं इसमें डाल के एक एसी, बिकॉज सॉकेट एसी का सेम है ना एम्पियर रेटिंग, तो सॉकेट को मैंने इसमें डाला और एसी को इसमें डाला है. तो 400 का डिफरेंस होने से क्या हुआ देखो, 184, 87 and 271. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now I'll just do that according to this. Okay, first R3 Y3, now B3 is left out ना. So B3 में अपन क्या करें ना अभी B3. So B3 में अभी क्या करें, एक 1 टन का AC ऐड किया मैंने और एक सॉकेट को ऐड करना ना. किधर से निकाला था मैंने वो सॉकेट, वाई फेस में से एक सॉकेट को निकाल के इसमें डालना है और उसमें एक एसी डालना है. तो वाई फेस में से कहां पर निकालेंगे बोले तो यहां से मैं निकालूंगा. ओके, यहां से मैं निकाल दूंगा मास्टर बेडरूम का एक पावर सॉकेट निकाल दूंगा. क्यों? मास्टर बेडरूम का एक पावर सॉकेट और मास्टर बेडरूम का एक एसी दोनों एक ही में डाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज दोनों एक ही रूम में है ना.
Yes.
ओके, अब मास्टर बेडरूम का एक पावर सॉकेट इसमें से, because in Y-phase I removed the socket and I put in this one, okay, and I removed one AC and I added in a Y-phase. So अभी ये कहां से निकालना है, तो Y2 में से मास्टर बेडरूम का निकाल देके, ओके, मास्टर बेडरूम का एक पावर सॉकेट और एक AC मैं दोनों B फेस में डालूंगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So raw power का in this, now raw power में एक 1 MBR 1 मास्टर बेडरूम का एक सॉकेट. ओके, मास्टर बेडरूम 1 पावर सॉकेट plus AC of MBR of 1 ton. Okay, so the same 16 here. I need to remove that na. I'll remove here from here. Okay, MBR को निकाला मैंने. So इसको क्या किया मैंने, 4 square mm, but here it will be 2 points and here it will be 2000. Okay, so that I added up here. So I'll just remove this all things. Okay, now I'll write it here. 4, then 2, then here it is how much? 14 plus 1000, 2400 na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2400. Okay, तो अभी एक पावर, अभी क्या हुआ, एक एसी हो गया और एक पावर सॉकेट वो इधर के इधर डाल दिया. R3 Y3 B3. नेक्स्ट इज R4. Now when it comes to R4 में एक एसी डाले ना अपन.
Yes, sir.
Of
Yes.
1.5 टन का जो कि एंट्रेंस हॉल
1.5.
या एसी लोड ऑफ 1.5 TR. AC load of 1.5 TR. Same 16, 4, 1 and it is 2100. 0 0। देन R4 हो गया, नेक्स्ट इज Y4। ना Y4 और बचा क्या है अभी, एक एसी है जो कौन सा है, बेडरूम का, राइट। Okay, now when you see here, just add up the total load is equal to sum of कहां पर गलत गया, 14 प्लस 1000 2400 है ना।
सर ये लास्ट वाला गलत हुआ है, 1400 ऐड किया है।
कहां पर कुछ मिस्टेक, बैलेंस पता ना पहले 2000।
यस सर।
हाँ, इसमें 14 और 14 था, 2800 था, तो वो
हाँ
एसी
200।
इसमें लगाया, इसमें लगाया था ना मैंने। तो कहां पर लोड भी कहीं अनबैलेंस हुआ क्या, इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ 18211 only, but where the load was matched, mismatch कहां पर हुआ था। हम्म
B3 में कुछ प्रॉब्लम, B3 में।
वही B3 में अपन क्या करे थे पहले, 2800 एक उसमें डाला था, 2100 इसमें डाला था ना मैंने।
हाँ
उसमें 2800 डाला था, इसमें मैंने 2100 डाला था। 14 प्लस 14 2800। तो बाद में नहीं हो रहा
यस
तो उसमें से एक एसी इसको डाला, एक एसी इसमें डाला, और एक पावर सॉकेट इसमें डाला, तो 14 प्लस 1000 2400, तो इसमें एक एसी आ गया। इसका पावर सॉकेट डाल के इसमें डाला, इसमें से एसी निकाल के इसमें डाल दिया मैंने, तो 3 एसी हो गया ना, 14 14 हो गया और एक 2100 हो गया। क्यों गलत गया, कहाँ पर गलत गया पर। ओके, आई जस्ट डू अप टू योर फर्स्ट, जस्ट अ मिनट। फिर एक बार रीचेक कर दिया, यहाँ तक हुआ था ना ऐसा। ऐसा आया था अपन को।
नहीं सर।
ऐसे ही आया था ना अपन को।
नहीं, कुछ तो भी एक छोटा है और।
छुट्टा है क्या कुछ, 3005 5 4122 345 5638, then 3551। just let me check the total।
हाँ टोटल
4122 plus 5638 plus 355।
18 है, 18,211।
मैंने एसी ऐड नहीं किया ना मैं अभी तो वहां तक। इज इक्वल टू 11 प्लस 1.85 प्लस 13.311। हाँ, यहाँ तक तो करेक्ट है, अभी एसी डालना है। तो इसमें मैंने क्या किया
हाँ
था, व्हाट आई डन हियर, आई पुट 2800 ना।
नहीं, वन
हाँ
1400 डाला था सर वहाँ पे।
हाँ, पहले अपन दो एसी इसमें डाले थे और एक एसी इसमें डाले थे अपन।
हाँ
तो वो करने के बाद में 4122 प्लस 2100 ऐसा आया था। फिर
और
यहाँ
बीच में
पर
एक